Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what we believe to be the best light blue decorative throw pillows on the market. The QUORGVES Corduroy Decorative Throw Pillow Covers, sized at 18 by 18 inches and sold in a convenient set of 2. These pillow covers are crafted from high-quality corduroy material, known for its plush, soft texture that brings both comfort and style to any living space. The corduroy fabric is not only irresistibly soft but also skin-friendly and hypoallergenic, making these covers a safe choice for households with kids and pets. What sets these covers apart is their durability and breathability, which means they maintain their lovely texture even after repeated use and washing. Each package includes 2 premium pillow covers, perfectly sized to fit most standard pillows used on sofas, beds, or patio chairs. There may be slight size variations due to artisanal craftsmanship, but that adds a unique touch to each piece. The light blue color is soothing and neutral enough to blend effortlessly with a variety of interior decor styles, from bohemian to modern farmhouse to minimalist themes. This makes them versatile decorative accents suitable for living rooms, bedrooms, offices, weddings, or even outdoor events. The design also features an invisible zipper along the edge, ensuring a seamless look that preserves the clean lines of your pillows. This zipper allows for easy removal and insertion of pillow forms without disrupting the overall aesthetic. The stitching is reinforced, providing durability without compromising the soft feel of the corduroy. When it comes to care, these pillow covers are low maintenance. They are machine washable on a gentle cycle with cold water, and they dry quickly on low heat, retaining their shape and color wash after wash. It's important to avoid bleach and ironing to keep the fabric looking fresh and vibrant. Overall, the QUORGVES Corduroy Decorative Throw Pillow Covers offer a wonderful combination of softness, durability, and style in a light blue shade that adds a calming and fresh touch to your home. Whether you want to refresh your couch, create a cozy reading nook, or add a subtle pop of color to your bedroom, these pillow covers are an excellent choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're looking to add softness and a stylish accent to your space, the QUORGVES light blue corduroy pillow covers are definitely worth considering. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest and detailed product reviews. See you next time.